Okay, are we recording? Oh, there I am.
I got the popcorn.
Okay.
It's gonna work.
All right, everybody call your phones.
All right.
Yeah, this is not gonna work, by the way.
$10 says it does.
$20 says it doesn't.
Make it 50.
Oh.
Wait, put them closer because the
Oh yeah, you gotta get them
Yeah.
closer to make it work.
waves or something.
Yeah.
Oh, totally did. That's
awesome.
It's like the radiation heated it up.
Yeah,
That's scary. Those are by your head every day.
I know, right?
Whoa!
Oh my god!
Came
Oh!
right out the top.
It's like it radiated from over there or something.
Andrew, Jesus. You got some. Your nose is bleeding.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Anybody got any tissue?
Oh my god.
Pinch it.
Insane.
God, I haven't nosebleed forever.
Are you alright?
I don't know. I just feel kind of weird. Like, does anyone taste Band-Aids?
Oh, your eye's bleeding.
What?
Yeah, it's dripping.
What?
Why is it?
I don't know. Why
Is
are
it the
we
phones?
bleeding?
Turn the phones off.
How could it be the phone?
I don't know.
I don't know. Jordan, turn off your
Oh,
God.
that dude. That's disgusting.
Oh.
Stinks.
Oh, that stinks.
Oh!
Oh.
Why is my face tingling? My face is tingling.
Oh my.
Oh!
Oh, look at you.
I have a full beard.
Oh, you look like your dad right now.
How do I have a full beard?
No, it's the phones or something.
Oh. Ah, turn the phones off.
What happened to your
It
shirt?
exploded.
What?